Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about University Canada West, UCW, British Columbia, Vancouver. How good is the university? How much scholarship are they offering? How to take admission in the university? And how well does this university stand globally? How I got admitted into the university. So first we'll start with how I got admitted to the university. I got it done through my consultant. So my consultant was in touch with the university guys, and he made me talk to the representative in India. So I talked to him and I explained him about my case. Because I have 10 years of gap, and I have tried reaching different consultants, and they were like, it is possible, but you have to go for an MBA. Go for an MBA. But going for an MBA means to shell out a huge amount of money in other universities, like 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, 1 crores, 1.5 crore. So that kind of thing. But in this university, the fees is $35,000 for the complete MBA course. Plus there is foundation course if you don't belong to a non-managerial background, means if you are not from BBA and any other like this kind of things. If you are like, I am a B pharmacist, so I have to go through the foundation course. Then if we talk about the scholarships, yes, scholarships are there. The university is giving scholarships. I have got a scholarship of I think $4,000 for my excellence in second language, because I got 7.5 in the IELTS. So they have given me some $4,000 scholarship. And if you have an academic excellence, if you get a academic excellence scholarship, then it's somewhere around 10,000 to 20,000. Like they are claiming that. For more, for more information of this kind of stuff, you can better contact you can see the websites. But as much I am aware, because even I have searched and I have done the research also. So this is what I have found out. Afterwards I got my offer letter. See, when I applied, my consultant only has applied it, and within I think 1 week I got my offer letter. And after that I paid my fees. After paying my fees, I think the total process took about 10 to 11 days, working days, in which I have got my letter of acceptance as well. So my letter of acceptance has came. I have filled my GAC, and I will be going for the medical and whatever the process are in the future. So coming back to the university, I think it ranks 10th in some kind of rating which is available. And there are different parameters. I have seen different websites where it ranks differently. But the main thing is, you are getting an MBA at a very good price. It's, first of all, it's a master's degree. Then if you have to go for a postgraduate diploma, it almost costs the same in Canada. Like the difference is I think some 4 to 5 lakh rupees. And if you are getting 4 to 5 lakh rupees difference and getting an MBA, I think you should go for an MBA. The other thing is, people are worried about the bad reputation of this university. So they say like, the university doesn't pass you, you're not able to pass in that, and you need 72% of this. There is a detailed structure of this. It is not like India, we have to go and write the exams, and usme then in that we have to score 72%. No, it's not like that. You have to do daily assignments, and then you have to get involved into the group discussions and all that. So all of those marks counts, and then it reaches to a certain amount. 25% is the written exam weightage which is there. And if then afterwards, what we this process will keep on continuing. And scholarship, I have told you. That one thing I wanted to share with you is the city Vancouver. It's a great city. See, as when you are going to complete your MBA or any course which you are going to complete, if you are going to Canada, you are definitely going to move to a bigger city. Why don't you start with the bigger city itself? So UCW, it's a great option, great opportunity. And I will tell you, I have got my LOA, letter of acceptance. In that it is written that it's 12 hours per week. The lecture deliverance will be 12 hours per week. But rest will come to know when the classes will start in October. In October 4th, the orientation is there for the foundation course. Foundation course fees is like different. It's somewhere around $7,000. So 35,000 plus 7,000, and if you score less than 6 or 6.5 in 6 in IELTS, then if you have one band 5.5, then you have to go for an English foundation course, I think. Then there they will give you IELTS, kind of like, they'll teach you English, and then they'll take an exam, and afterwards you will be promoted to other course. This university provides other courses also, like bachelor's is there, and AA is there, like administrative, I think arts, some kind of arts kind of subjects you can choose there. It's a good university. I have talked to some pass out students of this university who are actually, they have started their own startups in Vancouver. Plus one of the friend, he is from, he's from India only, and he is from Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar. And I have talked to those guys, and I have seen this, the guys who have passed out of this university are trained for the market. So this kind of things I can say, because I have been in touch with those people. I have talked to them. Afterwards I found out that, about those people. So that is how I am right, like, mingling or like gelling up. And if you are also in a process of going into UCW, and you are going to take admission in UCW, you feel free to please comment in the comment section, so that we can get in touch. This is the second video of this YouTube channel. I have another YouTube channel by a different name, and the purpose is totally different for that. So this is basically a YouTube channel which I have opened, in which I'll do vlogging. I will share my experiences of IELTS, how to improve IELTS score, plus UCW, different courses what they are providing, how one should choose, and whether they should choose UCW or not. So I'll be very frank in that, and let us start this beautiful journey together. Thank you. Lots of love to you.